The Reliability Monitor is a Windows tool that has been around since Windows Vista, but is commonly overlooked because it's hidden away and not highlighted in the control panel or administrative tools. And yet, Reliability Monitor is a valuable tool that helps you understand what's going on the machine and eventually make a connection between the problem reported by the end user and the events recorded. To get into the tool, it's pretty simple. Just type Reliability in the Windows search bar. The Reliability Monitor displays the computer's reliability and problem history. The information is presented under graphical mode as well as a text mode. The graphical information looks like a table or a matrix, where each column represents a day and each line represents an event. The events are represented by a color code: red for errors, blue for events, and yellow for warnings. To get more details about these events and their signification, look at the right side of the matrix. Each line of the matrix represents a specific event. This line shows events related to application failures. This one, events related to Windows failures. Miscellaneous failures. This line represents warnings, and the last one represents information events. This area represents the overall stability on a scale from 1 to 10. This gives you insights on how this machine performed. 10 is being optimal, 1 is being poor performance. This graph shows me how the machine performed over time. For example, the performance of this computer was pretty medium. And here I notice some deterioration, and it got worse on this day. Under the graph, I can get more details about what happened on this particular day. I see straight away that there were several critical events reported this day. If I select the first one, it's about Windows that failed to start because of a problem with the hard disk. If I want to see more technical details, I click on this link. This will show me more technical details if available. For this event, there are no additional details available. Let's take another event, this one for example. Here I can see additional details. For example, there is the error code I can use in my investigation. Here is the path of the program that experienced the error. Okay? In practice, reliability history is used in combination with the information given by the end user to investigate a problem. You can ask the end user where he starts experiencing the problem, then use the reliability monitor to match up the user information with the events reported, and start your troubleshooting from there. Another tool you can use on top of the reliability monitor is the event viewer that can give you additional information about the problem. This is what we are going to see in the next lesson.